ASIO Explore now includes two new distance measurements, especially useful for underground inspections. Distance from home shows the cumulative 3D distance from the first point of interest, while distance from home flat shows the flat, horizontal, non-cumulative distance from the same reference point. When you add points of interest, ASIO Explore automatically calculates distances along the waypoint path and displays both values with the POI details. The first POI becomes the home reference at 0 meters, keeping all distances consistent and easy to read. As the drone turns and flies back toward the starting point, distance from home continues to increase because it follows the full path traveled. At the same time, the distance from home flat decreases because the drone is getting closer horizontally to the home reference. This is especially useful in sewers, where flat horizontal distances help teams locate defects accurately without the vertical offset introduced by manholes.